Alright, welcome back, Ramblers. Alright, today we're going to cover switching from our bucket to our grapple. Alright, now before we get to that, I just would like to note that, of course, you'll never guess, it was bright and sunny earlier today. I get my machine out, get the camera out, it gets cloudy, the drops start falling. I go back inside, sun comes out, yeah. I come back outside, here comes the clouds again. So, this is what I'm going to tell you. If you're going through a drought right now, just go ahead and get with me in the comments, because I'm going to be willing to, for a small fee of course, I'm going to bring my machine, my camera, and come to where you're having a drought. I'm going to set up, start making a freaking video, and it's going to be like, boom! Flash flood. Alright? Seriously. Well, let's go ahead and get the camera angle changed and cover what we're going to do. Alright. So I've color coded all the pins on the boom and the bucket, and I've got corresponding color codes on the grapple. Alright? So we got a red pin for the ram. We got a blue pin for the end of the boom. Now these are the two pins, okay, that are going to go onto your grapple. You have the blue pin that's down kind of in the center here. It's an entire bar that comes on there. You got to take that off out of there, slide it through here, and you won't use this. Then you have your red pin, okay, that goes here with this red pin. So the end of your ram is going to go on this top loop sticking above, and then in the middle here is going to go to your boom. Now this one's black, this one's going to be completely gone and not even present when we take the bucket off, and this green one is going to stay in place. Okay, so really we're only going to be doing the red and the blue. Okay, let me show you, move the camera a little bit and show you the grapple a little closer. Okay, here's that pin right here that we'll be using to attach it to. This is going to go at the end of the boom, right? And this is going to go at the end of your ram. Alright, let me set the camera up, get to it. Now, as a side note, as we get started here, I'd like to point out that today's tool bag is considerably a little more heavy duty. That might make some of y'all happy. Anyways, I'm pretty sure we're going to fast forward from here on. All right, let me jump in here real quick and make a quick note of something. Now this is the blue pin, okay, the end of the boom. Now this is from the other side. So you have this, because this pin or bar is flush and it has a hole drilled through it that you got to get this bolt and nut through, okay? Now it's hard to get the hole inside this pin lined up exactly right with the hole on the outside of the grapple, okay? And so what you end up doing is you end up jimmying up these threads, all right? So, little pro tip, I haven't done it yet, but what I'm gonna do next trip I go, I'm gonna go get a lynch pin. I'm gonna go get a smooth pin that I can push through there and put a little Carter key on the other side, okay? And that's gonna be a lot more useful, a lot easier, all right? Well, that's it till next time, Ramblers. And yes, I did hear that squeaking, so yep, it is time to go ahead and grease her up.